I have always wanted to establish a morning routine, but somehow I've just never made it possible, other than making myself a cup of coffee and then immediately sitting down at my desk, answering emails and starting work, which is pretty much the worst routine possible for yourself in the morning. And that's part of the reason why I chose to work remotely for a few months. I needed a reset. I was overworked, overstressed, and I just seemed to be trapped in a lot of patterns that were not serving me. However, here in Mexico, it was easy. Things that I'd been meaning to do for years just became regular habits. I experimented for a bit, then I settled into a routine that just puts me in the best frame of mind for the rest of the day. I've always wanted to get up early as a regular habit, and I've never been able to pull it off. I'm my own boss, I set my own schedule, so it's been way too easy for me to succumb to my night owl ways. But suddenly in Mexico, getting up early is easy. 6 o'clock, 7 at the latest. It's a combination of inspiration because immediately I see beautiful green palm leaves swaying in the breeze, and necessity because in Puerto Escondido, I only have a few hours before the real heat of the day kicks in. Twice a week, I make the 15-minute walk along the dirt roads of La Punta to one of my favorite yoga studios in the world, One Love, based at the hostel of the same name. Here we do yoga under a palapa with a view of the Pacific Ocean. The open-air breeze blows gently by Buddha, and if you're lucky, the gato in residence will choose your mat to do some of his own moves. If I don't go to yoga, I take a walk to the beach. Or if I'm ambitious, I run. I've really gotten into podcasts lately. Kinda late to the party, I know. So I might listen to one of those as I go. The important thing is I get moving and I take time for me in the morning. I always drink at least 2 glasses of water right after I wake up, and this is really important. Even though I might be using my phone, it stays on Do Not Disturb, and I don't sneak a look at any texts or any emails until this morning routine is all done. Before or after my active time on the beach, I seek out a shady spot where I can meditate. There's something about the sound of the waves that's magical for clearing my mind. It reminds me to breathe, release tension, and try to drop any thoughts that are passing through. On the way home from the beach, there's nothing like grabbing a Coco Frio to rehydrate. You can't do this in Canada, that's for sure. So I extra relish this moment every day. It's finally time for a cup of coffee. I've switched to decaf, but I still love the ritual of making it. It's like a signal for me. The workday is about to start. But now I'm approaching it in a much better frame of mind than I used to. At this point, even though the computer's open, I have one last part of my routine that's still just for me. I like to do it before I officially begin work and start dealing with other people's agendas. I review my life goals along with my work goals. I do it in an app called Growth Day, which has given me a lot of clarity and helped me structure my goals. And I love listening to the Daily Fire. There's a new one in here each day. I also take time for some quick journaling. After setting my intentions, I hop into Notion and check out my tasks that gotta get done. Usually I've already blocked out my time at the beginning of the week, but on the actual day, sometimes I need to adjust. And then I'm ready to start my workday. It is a long morning routine. I won't have this much time to enjoy this kind of routine when I get back home, but I do plan to bring this routine back home with me. I'll have to modify it, and parts of it might not have that amazing beach background like my walk or my run or my meditation. But now that I've established these habits and I've done them for a couple of months now, I think I'm gonna be able to bring them back home a-okay and keep doing them, even if I won't be waking up to a view of palm trees. Oh yeah, let's rev it up, rev it up. Rev up that engine. Why not? I don't sneak a look at my phone. Driving. We're driving. We're driving in reverse. I can tell. I can hear it. No one's filming up here. All right, let's try it again. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and consider subscribing, and check out this video for more about my digital nomad life, and check this out for more on Puerto Escondido. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.